To customize Semrush position tracking, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the position tracking tool. This tool allows you to monitor the online visibility of your website and track changes in your search engine rankings over time. First, create a new position tracking campaign by clicking on the Setup button and entering your domain name. Then, select the database you want to track, which can be Google or other search engines, and choose your target location. Next, add the keywords you want to track, which can be done manually or by uploading a file. It is essential to choose relevant and high-quality keywords that are closely related to your business and target audience. After setting up your campaign, you can customize your position tracking by adjusting the tracking settings. This includes setting the tracking frequency, which can be daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your needs. You can also customize the device and location settings to track your website's performance on different devices, such as desktop or mobile, and in various locations. This is particularly useful if you have a local business or if you want to target specific geographic regions. In addition, you can set up notifications to alert you when there are significant changes in your search engine rankings. This can be done by setting up custom alerts based on specific keywords or by tracking changes in your overall visibility score. To get the most out of Semrush position tracking, it is crucial to regularly review and analyze your data. This includes monitoring your keyword rankings, tracking changes in your competitors' rankings, and adjusting your SEO strategy accordingly. By customizing Semrush position tracking, you can gain valuable insights into your website's online visibility and make data-driven decisions to improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your website.